Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Bitmoji on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If your Bitmoji is not working on Snapchat, then there are several methods you can work around with. First, make sure that you are connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you're connected, launch on your Snapchat application and see if that fixes the issue. If the issue is not network related, then the next thing to do is to simply check for updates for your Snapchat application. Sometimes, because of the outdated version of Snapchat, you might not be able to use several functions on your Snapchat app, so once you open up your app store, search for Snapchat into the search box. If you see an update button popping up right next to Snapchat in the search result, then you'll need to update your application to the latest version. Tap on Update. Once the update is done, tap on the Open button to launch the Snapchat Open. See if your Bitmoji has been fixed or not. If it's still not working, then the next thing to do is to simply uninstall your Snapchat app from your system. Press Hold to Snapchat application and tap on Remove App. Now, in the pop-up, select Delete App in order to confirm your deletion. Soon after you do that, go back to your App Store, search for Snapchat into the search box, and reinstall your Snapchat app. Launch it open and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use Bitmoji or your Bitmoji is not showing on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.